Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tutorials. It's the Scratch Tutorials part number 15, and today we are going to do the sensing blocks. We have done motion, looks, sound, events and operators, and most of the controls conditional type 1 plus conditional type number 2, and today we are moving ahead towards the touching mouse pointer sensing. As you can see, some blocks are being displayed like this touching mouse pointer. Actually the mouse pointer, this which I am controlling here, this mouse pointer, the cat here. So let's try it only by using the starter. Let's say when the space key not pressed, let's say when the any letter pressed, you see that any letter pressed, go to sensing and go to if then conditional type, and if then else, I guess, if then else, and then go to sensing. If touching the mouse pointer, then you have to play the sound meow, or and then else go to looks, say hello, not say hello, actually say distance to the mouse pointer. Now it's a bit complicated, but I'll actually tell you what is going on. If I press any key letter like J or something like that, if it is touching the mouse pointer, this mouse pointer, if this sprite is touching the mouse pointer, then it will play the sound meow. If not, then it will see distance to the mouse pointer. Easy enough. Or let's add something more, like it will also go to random position. No random position. It will, I guess, change X by 10. Here we go. Change Y by 10. Okay. Now let's try it. I pressed G, and it's saying a distance to the mouse pointer, which was about 150. Let's try again. Now 115 here is actually telling in millimeters, not in centimeters, nor in any conditional height. Like, see that it is also changing its Y. The Y value is 20 now. I'll press number 3. It's saying a 98.79 here. So instead of that, let's round it. I want to round this number. It's too much complicated for me. Let's round this number by using this round block. How to use it is to just take this distance to the mouse pointer, grab it, and then put in the input of the say hello, and now it will tell that estimated value. Here you go, something. Oh, and 95. It's telling now the exact value about the mouse pointer distance. You see the 98, 95, something like that. It's very accurate and estimated. And as you can see, I am touching the sprite here, and any letter press I said, and it's playing the sound meow because it is touching the mouse pointer, so it plays the sound meow according to the situation here. Let's try it again. It is tail. Yes, if any part of the body is being touched by the mouse pointer, it will currently play the sound meow. Okay, that's enough for the sprite cat. Let's move on to another sprite, and let's break our duck. You can just search here anyway, and it's a duck. Here we go. Let's take our duck here, and now we'll take that number 2 when the space not press any letter or anyone. Let's take our another control if then situation here this time, and settings. Here we go. If you can say the key speed pressed, touching the mouse pointer, then distance to the mouse pointer, then. Now let's try this one, the second one, the edge, and let's take a backdrop. Here we go. It's a big collection of backdrops here. I like to take this form backdrop. Here we go. Now it's currently at the form. If touching the edge, then you have to play the sound duck. Here we go. And let's add another condition in this one. Let's see that if you are touching the mouse pointer, and if touching the edge and touching the mouse pointer, go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds, go to sensing, and this time we will say distance to the mouse pointer. It's just one option there. So anyways, I'll press F. It's not saying why. Obviously, because it's neither touching the edge or neither pressing the mouse pointer. Now I'll take this mouse pointer to the duck sprite, and when I press the letter, it will say that this is the mouse pointer, which is 17 again. So let's about more round it. We don't want decimals, so let's round this distance to the mouse pointer. Here you go. And now when I press the letter 8, it will say accurate and same estimated value. You can see. You can also make your own program by visiting our link in the description below. Now let's test our next condition, which is if touching edge. What does that mean? If you already know, we have made some with the space creepers, and make the 4 arrows there, and then move it by the arrow given arrow. It was such a great project there, and we'll make it again. You can go to motion. You have to then move 10 steps, and again move 10 steps again. This time -10, and then here you have to change y by 10, and then change y by -10. Alright, it's done now. Just to put arrows on the right arrow, when the right arrow pressed, here when the left arrow pressed, here when the up arrow, and here the down arrow. And now when I'll try to move, press the J here, I'll try to move any letter here. You see I'm touching any key in the letter and it's responding, so I'll do that is to just press it like C beyond, I guess. Okay, so now when I press it, I'll move towards the edge. You see nothing is happening. You can see nothing is happening by the edge. Why? The reason is simple. When the B key press, so let's say any letter press now, and when I'll touch the edge now, you see that it's touching the edge here, and whenever it touches the edge, it plays the sound duck according to the code. If touching the edge, then you have to play the sound duck until done. So it is as simple as easy. So hope you guys understand this, and you will more learn about the sensing. Today we have done the touching mouse point and the distance here. In the next video we will learn about some coloring and some answering too. Hope you will be fine, and see you next time. Bye bye.